noticed it was smoking a little bit.
Y'all know how this.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop. Hey, what's up, man? Nice. Hey, what's going on, man? JacobViral, nice to meet you, man.
Man, Shaheem.
Nice to meet you, Shaheem. So, could you tell me your name and what's in here?
My name is Shaheem. This is the Ford Ranger. It has 4 Z615s on 2 saw 8Ks. On the doors, it's DS18. On the SFB 4000 and the SFB 100 liters.
And this is like really built in past. So this is a Ranger, so you had to build in past the blow through of the window, or did you cut in the cabin, or?
I had to pretty much pull the back window out. This port goes through the both of those windows with a gasket around it, and then this part actually right here used to be my amp rack because it had a blow through behind this seat right here.
Okay.
So I mounted my amp here before, so I wanted to keep a piece of the old build, a part of the new build. So I just kind of bonded, and I haven't finished all the nice work to it yet.
Okay. And you have one port back there, not two?
One off the port, yep.
Oh, wow, okay.
Had to do it that way because, of course, I'm a big guy, I know something pretty big, and they ain't going through this window glass here, so that's why I access to it. It's already a challenge without having that there.
So if you need to get to the subs, let's say you had to remove one or work on it, you can take that back.
That back cover comes off from the exterior of the car, and you can fit in there. So I'm 6'2", 270, and I can fit in there with no issues.
Smart.
Yes, sir.
Okay, awesome. And what about your electrical for the system?
It has a proto bank in the back, a 40 amp hour behind the seat right here, and then I have a skib. It was a 45 or 40 that's on the side of the box in the back right here, and then for the alternator, it's a 320 XXL from Brand X.
Okay. All right. Awesome. 2 more questions.
Yep.
Box specs, you know, cubic space tuning, SPL, anything like that?
So the bottom is tuned at about 19 to 20, give or take. The front's at 40. The overall box is about 35 cubes.
Okay. Wow, that's a big box for. Are you happy with it?
I'm very happy with it.
Awesome. All right. Any SPL tests?
SPL, yeah, it does over 60. It plays from 15 hertz all the way up to 70. The cabin is actually falling apart right now, so.
I see you've done a lot of work in here to try to stop the flex.
Yeah, and this is falling apart.
Any other goals on the system or the vehicle you're gonna work on?
This truck right here is in the talks of going to Scream. I haven't decided if I'm gonna keep the Scream, just keep it as a beater for now, but I'm thinking about going to Scream with it to kind of salvage the body because the box is really nice and it's not coming out without tearing it apart. So yeah.
Got it. Okay. Yeah, man, I would love to hear it. Awesome.
Gotcha.
Is it better a door shut or open?
You can leave that door closed.
Okay.
And I'll get my side up.
All right.
The 2 subs on the left-hand side are new. I played them earlier for Christian and got one smoking a little bit. So I'm gonna see what we got. They're super cold, but it was smoking a little bit. So we're gonna see what we got.
Okay. Don't blow nothing though.
Yeah, it's all right. It's a toy. It'll be okay.
That's crazy bandwidth you can play.
Oh yeah, man. What you like more, lows or highs?
I like lows more because it
video and everything.
Yeah,
okay.
video and all. But you play what you like and what you seem to enjoy.
Okay. Truck had AC up until about we got louder with the rebuild and the AC units keep falling off.
Oh.
27 custom.
27. Sorry, I read that
my
wrong.
Handles are on the back of the shirt.
All right.
There you go.
Awesome.
Flowing against some gray niggas still don't know me. It's about the money and this rap shit, this crap shit. It ain't funny. It's SkyHigh. New. Hey. Yeah. know how this shit go, you know. All eyes on. Hey, to my nigga Pop. So much trouble in the world, nigga. Ain't nobody feel your pain. The world's changing every day. Time's moving fast. My girl said I need a race. How long will she last? I'm pumped.
Stephanie, grab me that flag off the back. Grab me the flag off the back, left hand side, the flag.
man. I appreciate the demo. It's like a hair snatcher and it still squeezes you. So.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Appreciate you, man, for stopping by.
Yeah, you're welcome. Your name?
Shaheen.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop